a great morning, noon, night, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And today we got Subway, and they have these new wraps at Subway. What I got was the turkey provolone with lettuce, tomato, guacamole, and ranch. And this is tomato and basil, I believe. And they also had a steak wrap and a chicken wrap. But I wanted the turkey. So let's try this new wrap. She said that it was really good. So I'm going with her because I usually get the tuna, but she told me these were new, and you know me, try something new. I also got the potato soup. Let me put it on this side. I'm a lefty, so I have to have it on my left side. So yeah. I put it in a little clear bowl just so y'all can see everything in it. I also got me a drink. So I'll leave this guy here so y'all can see it. And look how good that looks. I don't know which one to bite. Mmm. Oh, it has onions in it too. And bacon. Forgot to tell you that. Onions and bacon. It tastes real good with the guacamole in it. Wow. I'm trying to think of the taste that it has. It's like a good taste. Like I've tasted it before, but I don't know. I can't pinpoint it right now. This is so awesome. Look at that. So awesome. So how did everybody's Valentine's go? I hope y'all got a lot of stuff. My husband got me this little bear, and he got me this right here. Yeah. Yes, he's so thoughtful. He surprised me with it. I didn't even know that he was going to get it for me, and he did. He told me the day before. I asked him, I was like, what are you going to get me for Valentine's Day? And he told me, nothing. You don't need nothing. Really? He's shaking his head no. He just jokes around like that. But he's so sweet. So lovable. But we're getting close to that 100 so he can get on here again with me. I can't wait. Can't wait for him to get on here again. He said that he would do one of the noodle challenges with me. I said it while he was walking out the door. He just turns around and looks at me. I was supposed to go wash clothes today, but I don't feel like it. I don't feel good at work all day today. And plus I went to work in a good mood. Well, in an okay mood. This morning on the way to work, my husband went with me to work today. He got us tacos. So I was like, hey, like, can you give me a taco? And I was like, yeah. And while we're on the way to work. And I was like, yeah, I'll give you a taco. So, you know, I was getting it together and rolling it and putting some hot sauce on it. And I gave it to him. And then I opened mine. And I didn't put no hot sauce. I just pulled off a little piece and ate it. And that was it. I got so sick off of it. I don't know if it was that or the food that I ate the night before. Because we went out to eat for Valentine's Day. And I don't know if it was, I'm thinking it was the food that we ate that night that made me sick. I took that one bite this morning, and y'all should have seen looking around the freaking car looking for a plastic bag. I found this, and TMI, I know, I'm sorry, but I found this handkerchief that I had on the door. It had real pretty rhinestones on it. I was like, you know what? F it. I'm using it. Everything just came up, and I'm like, oh my God, are you serious? And my husband's like, what's wrong? What's wrong? What happened? And I was like, I don't know. I don't feel good. So I'm over here. I put the thing down, looking for a bag, and then I remembered our food that we had from the night before. We had it in a bag in the back seat. We were going to eat it for lunch. I took that stuff out. I held that bag with me till we got to work. I didn't feel good at all. And get to work, and I'm just sitting there. Don't even want to do nothing. I had to throw that handkerchief away. I guess I'll just buy another one. I feel so bad. But I got to work, and I was sitting there doing my work, right? The whole time I'm sitting here like this with my jacket on, like this, because I'm cold. I don't feel good. I went to the restroom like 20 times all day long. And then what pissed me off more is that one of the ladies wanted to blame me on stuff that I didn't even do. Stuff that, because what I do is inventory. I count what comes in. I put it in the system. You know, that kind of stuff. And I didn't do that. And she tried to blame it on me. No, lady. Check yourself before you start blaming everybody. Yeah. All day long. Attitude with me. Talking crap to me. So anyways, yeah, she had attitude with me all day long. You know when you feel like you want to strangle somebody? Yeah. I didn't talk to nobody. That's how sick I was. This thing doesn't have that much tortilla. I mean, just the right amount to roll it. That's a good thing. You know, because sometimes you get a wrap and it always has that extra piece of tortilla on there. This one doesn't. This one has the perfect amount. I love the loaded potato soup. It's the bomb. Sometimes when I'm just having the soup by itself, I always ask them if they could put a little bit more cheese in it, just to have that cheesy taste. Oh, I love it. My daughter's texting me. We're going to go see the Black Panther on Monday. And we're going to see it at night at 7:30. My husband thought I was working Monday. Anyways, Monday we're going to go see the Black Panther. We've been waiting to watch this movie for a while, since we first saw the previews come out. Anyways, we've been waiting to go see it for a while, since the previews came out. I mean, it's been a while. But, yeah. The only reason why I brought it up is because my daughter messaged me and I answered her real quick. Because she's going to go with us. Her and her boyfriend are going to go with us to go watch it on Monday. We've never done that before. We've never done, she's never gone with us to the movies or anything. So, and she used to do everything with us before she got a boyfriend. And now she's going to be able to go, her and her boyfriend are going to go to the movies with us. So, I'm excited. On the wrap, I forgot to mention, whenever we were there, the lady had said, she like, it comes with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, ranch, guacamole, and the tomato wrap. And she's like, oh, and the provolone, and the bacon. And she's like, well, if you don't want provolone, we can switch it, and we can get, you can get a different kind of cheese, because some people don't like provolone, so I thought that wasn't bad. And she even said the wrap, you can change it to the other wrap. They have two. They have this one, and they have a spinach one. I just looked at her, and I was like, I'll take that one right there. Oh, I'll take the tomato one. She just looked at me and laughed. Back to work, what I was saying. Because sometimes I remember things and I start talking about them and then I forget I was talking about something. So yeah, every time I did something, every time I moved to a different spot, like if I wasn't sitting at my desk, or if I go to the restroom, that one person's always wondering where I'm at. Always looking to see if I'm in my office or if I'm outside. Or if I'm doing something. Like, you're not the boss. The boss knows what I do all day. Like when the boss told me, did you enter this product? I said, yeah, I entered it on Tuesday. Right? Tuesday? Yeah. I was like, I entered it on Tuesday. when we got the product, when they said that it was all correct, she was like, okay, but what about now? Now that we know what's what. I said, I can't enter something if it's not in the system. I go, I have to wait for the other person to enter it into the system for me to enter it to the system. So it's, I have to wait until she does it. And I go, she just sent a letter saying, or not a letter, an email saying, I'm working on it. Okay, But I was the one getting yelled at. I was the one getting in trouble for something that was out of my control. That's the only thing that makes me mad. Is whenever they accuse me of stuff. I did my job. I did what I could. I did everything that I could. And, oh no. If it wasn't one thing, it's another thing. Somebody else came in, they're like, oh, this is not right, It's at the wrong, the case count's wrong. Okay. How do you know I did it? You have to look at the freaking label to know who counted it and who didn't count it. That's how you know who did it. So, so yeah. Now I have to be watching everything now. I work with this older man. And, he don't speak no English. He understands it. But I have to do the counting just to make sure that the count's right. It was funny because the lady that was accusing me of this stuff kept on saying, it was up here in the front. It was up here in the front. They got it from up here. I said, they got it from the front because mine are right. And the ones they did were wrong. Well, no. Why would they have to come and get it from? Because they were right. Those are the right ones. They had to come get the right ones. No, she didn't understand that. I had to tell her 100 times. And she got the boss all heavy and heated. But, I noticed when you have your favorites out there, you can tell. But it's all good. It's all gravy. Because it bites people in the ass after some time. Treat me like shit. I don't get even. I let karma take care of it. But it's all good. Did my job.
No, Len.
Anyways, I did my job. 4 o'clock came around. Walked over there to the clock out machine. Clocked out. Walked outside. Waited for my husband to get there. And I was gone. Didn't tell nobody bye. Didn't tell nobody nothing. I left. So if y'all hear a motorcycle, I'm sorry. It's my husband on his Harley. See how I told y'all? Just the right amount of food, and it fills all the way to the bottom. So they give you a pretty good amount. She gave me about about 10 or 12 pieces of turkey. It's quite a bit to me. Just a half of one of these fills you up. I don't know. I mean, this is just considered one sandwich, one wrap. But anyways, that's the story of my today at work. Excuse me. I mean, it was just so hectic at work today. I don't want to be there. Lucky tomorrow, I'm leaving early. I'm not staying the whole day. Which I had already told them that I was leaving early. Well, actually, I told them I wasn't even going to go in at all. But I think if I go in, I won't have to use all of my vacation time. And I would have some left over. Because I don't want to use all my vacation. I've already used, what? 9 hours already? Woo. Then we have Monday off. And I have Friday off. No, I'm leaving early next Friday. Tomorrow, I definitely have to go wash. Definitely. Look at the guacamole. Look how good it looks. They're gonna give you like 4 slices of bacon. Probably save this one for work tomorrow. Just a half of one's filling me up. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. I hope y'all like my video, share my videos everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that little notification bell just so you get notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye.